So I've just had this problem with my washer, and as you can see, we've started to get some rust on here. And if we look inside, it's even worse, actually. So you can see the rust all collecting right here. I'm not sure exactly why it's collecting in that bottom corner, but that's where it's been collecting. And the problem is that the rust will sometimes drip from the door on down onto the clothes and will stain the clothes. And sometimes if people are putting clothes in the washer, you know, it will touch this part, and then the rust will get on that part too and stain it. And we've had some clothes and things ruined this way. So now we're going to see what we can do to get this fixed. So here's the finished product. So this is after I've already sanded and painted it, but let me just show you what I kind of used for this. There still is a little bit of rust, but I got the majority of it, and it worked a lot better this time than it did last time when I was doing this by hand. So what I did is I went to the store and I got this part. This is a sanding wheel, a metal sanding wheel that you can put on the end of your drill if you have an electric drill. This helped so much because doing it by hand was much harder, and I was not able to be nearly as thorough. So before, it just came right back. But this is great because you can even get, you know, if you kind of angle it, you can get down in these edges. And I also undid these screws right here so that I could really get down into that groove in there. So I really was able to get in there well, and I was able to get down on this part too. Looks like I missed a little bit, but so, and even to get this part right here, which had been really bad. So so I just put it on the end of my drill, sanding, and you can sand with it this way. You know, if you turn your drill, you can sand with it this way and really get into some of those grooves if you angle it good. So anyway, just want to show you what I did, and then afterwards I use this rust protector, this white rust protector, to spray the area, just to give it more protection and to make it look nicer again. So that's what I did. Thanks for watching.